In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a recovery email address in Canva. This is a really important step to help keep your account secure and make sure you can get back in if you ever lose access to your main email or forget your password. First, open Canva on your computer and log into your account if you aren't already. Once you're on the main Canva homepage, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen. You should see your profile icon there. It might show your initials or a small picture if you've uploaded one. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. This opens a small menu with several options related to your account. From this menu, look for the option labeled Settings. Click on Settings to open your account settings page. This is where you can manage most of the important details about your Canva account, like your profile information, billing, and security. Once the settings page loads, you'll see different tabs or sections, usually listed along the left side. Find and click on the section called Login. This is where Canva groups anything related to how you sign into your account, including passwords and recovery options. Inside the login section, look for the area labeled Recovery Email. This is the email address Canva will use if there's a problem signing in, or if you need to reset your password and your primary email isn't working. It's a good idea to choose an email you check regularly, and ideally one that's different from the main email on your Canva account, just in case you lose access to that main inbox. Next, click on the Add button next to Recovery Email. When you click Add, Canva will prompt you to type in the recovery email address you want to use. Carefully enter the email address, making sure there are no typos because this is where important security emails could be sent. After entering your recovery email, follow the on-screen prompts. Canva may ask you to confirm the address by sending a verification code or link. Open that email in a separate tab or device, then follow the instructions there to complete the verification. Once you've done that, your recovery email will be saved to your Canva account. And that's it. You've successfully added a recovery email address in Canva, giving your account an extra layer of protection and making it easier to recover access in the future.